She's my sister. She would never hurt me. But yeah. That's basically it. So I don't know what else y'all want me to do. Like, y'all just keep telling me to do more hair videos. And my edges done rolled up. I'm hot, but so yeah. Anyway, that's looking better. Yeah, they're okay.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling
So I'm just going to come back when I'm like closer to being done. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this white color in, but yeah. Alright guys, so I finally finished my hair. And the inspiration behind this hair was Phoenix's birthday party, honestly. She had a frozen party, and I was Anna. I'll put a picture right there. Yeah, so I was Anna, she was Elsa, and her daddy was Olaf. It was fun, so that's honestly the only reason I did this color, because I don't... Let me take this headband off, because I don't really like it that much. Because they're just bigger than I would normally do, and they're not even, and it's really killing me. Like these up here, because I started them I think the day before the party, and I needed to hurry up and finish, so I started making these up top kind of big. Like I tried to go back and make it look, you know, alright, but you can see like these ones over here and these ones over here are just a little smaller, which is why I have the headband on, because I don't really like them. But I'm going to show you guys finishing my hair. Like I'm done braid wise. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, excuse me. So I'm done braid wise. I haven't really dipped them. I dipped them when I wasn't done with my hair. So I have some of them that are like, you know, they're straight. So y'all have already seen me do this with the pink and blue, but I made it like, I did them bigger so it would be more so wavy than like curly. And so my water is boiling. I should have knotted these up already. But honestly, my idea behind these, like after the party of course, was to like cut them. You guys can let me know if you want me to do it, because I low-key want to do it. I just need somebody to tell me to do it. That's my water boiling. Anyway, yeah, because it needs to cool off for like a second. That's a tip for dipping your hair. Don't dip it as soon as it's done. Like let it cool off just a second and let me know if you see a difference. But that just made me hot. Y'all know I be having hot flashes. But yeah, like honestly, I just need somebody to tell me to do it, and I'm gonna cut it. That's all I like these. But and granted, I could do like braids, so it'd be more wavy. You know, I might. I don't know, cause I like how this looks. I just need to do all of them. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just do it how I did it the other day. So these are like relatively big, so they'll be less, you know, curly. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did before. I'm just kind of finger combing through. Take it where I want it to start at. And I did braid them a little further down than I usually do. Just because... Honestly, I did my hair like 2 weeks ago. I just finished like maybe 2 days ago. And I've been needing to come back on here and like just really show y'all me finishing them. And I was like really planning on cutting it, so a lot of them are like kind of short, because I was having a hard time with this set for whatever reason. So I'm just gonna go through just like I did and just twist it around the hair itself. This one's like a tad bit shorter, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna dip them. I'm gonna try not to burn myself again, because that's embarrassing. I usually fold it in 4 and just leave it right here on me. So when I dip it, I can just kind of, you know, grab it and squeeze it. I'm gonna do both of these at the same time because I don't have time for that stuff. Can y'all see the steam this time? You cannot. I see it. I'm gonna pop the top off though. because yeah, I'm gonna dip 2 at a time because I don't feel like dealing with that. I should just do 1 at a time because they're fat as hell. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna dip it. Stink, still hot though. And then yeah, just squeeze it to get out as much water as you can. What time is it? Okay. Yeah, because I gotta go pick up B too. And it's okay, like the towel gets, of course the towel will get wet and hot, but I'm gonna use that to like smooth over the rest of my hair. Like after that, you know, ow! Just put it over the braids, and that should like smooth them a lot. Even though I'm not dipping all the way up there. I got this finishing sheen. From Shine and Jam. So I'm gonna spread this after I do foam. I'm gonna do foam first. After I put the foam, I'm gonna it's like oil sheen, honestly. I'm gonna take it and twist it the opposite way. It's not working. I'm just kidding. Yeah, just keep doing that. And I'm just going to go through and separate it. So now it's like waist length, which is cool. And you don't have, I've seen videos where people are like, you wait for it to dry. You don't have to wait for it to dry. Because it's essentially melting the hair. See? It's melted, bro. You can take it out while it's wet. See? Yeah, that's better. It's like, as soon as my recording gets to like 30 minutes, it stops recording. Like, and I'm thinking maybe it was my memory cards, but bro, it's like 128 gig. Maybe it's my camera, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna spray some more of this. And that's basically it.
And I'm not the woman that can take your spot, my love.